Hello my friends. As many of you know, if you follow me on Instagram, I switched from the Leuchtturm 1917 bullet journaling to a Hobonichi. I'm halfway through January and I'm kind of regretting it, just a little bit. It's nice where I don't have to plan out everything, like the layout, but I kind of miss doing that and being creative with it and making it my own. So I tried to figure out a way where I could still bullet journal and still use the Hobonichi because it is kind of expensive and I want to use it. It's good paper. So I decided to try A4 plus size of the Leuchtturm. And I got it the other day. I opened it just to check if it was okay, like no dents and stuff. But it's here. My happy mail is here. And oh my goodness, look at this thing. Bam! It's huge. Massive. I love it. I'm so excited. Here's my old one. It's all dirty. Yeah. But I got the black one because I wasn't sure if I wanted to get the slim or the regular, but I just decided to go with more pages because, you know, it was not that much more and you get more pages. So here it is. I haven't opened it yet. I haven't taken it out of the shrink wrap, but I am so excited. Oh my goodness, it's huge. I don't know how it will go, but I'm planning to use it for projects, planning, and other like social media. I'm starting this YouTube channel, so I was gonna track stuff on that, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. It feels so nice. I love new notebooks. Wow, look at that. Ooh, the dots go further out on the page than it does in the A5. Look at that. Nice. Still numbered at the bottom. There's the stickers in the back. Nothing too new from the A5, just bigger. So I took some time to set my new bullet journal up, and it is work focused, so here we go. Here's the table of contents, which I didn't really use in my personal one, but I think it'll be useful here. I have my year calendar with some goals I'm gonna fill out, events and holidays that I want to make sure I remember. I use the month on top and then do a rapid log here with the date there. And then next, this is just bullet journal page ideas for this that I wanted to make sure I have. Next we have our social media tracker. I'm going to be tracking each month how many subscriptions I have. Just give me an idea. This is also passwords. I don't know if I should have told you all that, but it's there. Here's a page for just dumping ideas on. Got YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and other project ideas I have. And then I have a overview for the year by week, and just see what I'm putting out each week. I'm guessing I won't do more than a video a week. Here's the start of January. Just did a title page for it. I think I'm gonna put a quote or something here, but I haven't finished that. And here's the month look at January. I have what I want to record, edit, and post on the specific days. And then over over here is the time log. I just want to keep track of how much time I spend on this stuff. And then probably going to put totals here. I'm also thinking of doing a to-do list of some sort or goals. And then a next month and notes type thing down here. So that's what I have set up right now. I noticed these, the recollection brush markers. It seemed to work fine in my A5, but there seems to be a little bit more ghosting if I press too hard. But if I press lightly, it's not too bad. So that's what I have for my business bullet journal that I'm gonna try out. Lots of pages to fill. I like it that I can just take my space.